Okay guys, it's part 2. So let's insulate these ceilings and start taking down some of these beams right here. Okay, I'm going to show you what I got going on here. So all the side supports, you see those are all been removed. All those have been removed here. All those are gone. So now, and when I say supports, these are supports that are not compromising the structural integrity of the roof. They're just meant to hold up the ceiling that was there. What I'm going to do now, take these all off and keep moving.
Harley's getting ready to take this down, baby.
There we go. There we go. Take that right off. You don't need to be here. You don't live here anymore. There we go. You too. Your brother. Two sisters over there.
It looks so much better without all that mess. I have an idea for the things, the roof too. For the ceiling?
Yeah.
I think you're gonna like it.
Alright.
I would like to keep it the wood finish. What do you think?
Wood finish? Yeah, I think it'd be good.
I don't want it white. Definitely don't. I don't know if I want. I think I do. I don't know. We'll see. I found some ideas that I like. It's kind of like this herringbone.
Yeah.
But not really. I'll show you. It's really, really nice. And it's just.
There we go.
Ooh.
Yeah, always have your safety glasses. One more left.
Uno más, uno más.
Uno más. You about to go down, brother. Yeah. There we go. There we go.
Woohoo! It looks so pretty. I love it. What do you think, babe?
I love it. So one thing we are missing.
Uh-huh.
A beam on this side. So I'm gonna put an additional beam on that.
Yeah.
Find that at the lumber yard.
I see
That's
that.
it. Hey, what's up, guys? Good morning. I managed to get all the 2x4s out. Check that out. Nice and clean. Looking good, looking good, looking good. We did find a few things that we have to address. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Termite damage. We got to rip that out. I know we had an inspection report already done. It was already treated, but here we got to take care of that, get that out quick. 2x4 in. Here we have 2x4s that are needed, 16 on center. As you see, we are lacking in that department. Same thing over on that side. The plan today, insulate. I'm gonna use a rafter vent. I'm gonna put that in our joist going up. And also what we have here is a blown insulation that we're going to use. We're gonna fill in all the voids behind all this wood siding here, okay? And then to follow up after that, I'm gonna wrap it with a Tyvek wrap. Woo. Let's go get it! Yes, I got my rafter vent installed here. So I'm allowing airflow from this soffit all the way up to the ridge vent. And that's gonna allow perfect airflow for my roof so it won't get overheated. After that, I'm gonna insulate it with foam insulation over this. So let's go! I got all this done right here. It's going all the way up to the ridge vent, all the way back down to the other side. Looking pretty good. Okay guys, I've pre-cut all my insulation. I got my first one right here. It's time to hang. Now I gotta do the other side.
Go ahead, baby, you got this. Hi guys, so my husband is currently putting up the installation. And I had put up a poll on Instagram because my husband and I were debating back and forth what we're gonna do with the ceiling because the price of wood is ridiculous. And one of my friends has suggested that we get wood pallets, which is genius. So my husband and I both went on Facebook Market and found a bunch of places that are giving it away for free. So what better way to get your ceiling done than get it done for free? So let's take a look. All right guys, so we are currently here at this one spot where the guy said that he just has a bunch for free. So people are obviously just taking whatever they want. And there's some good pieces. I mean, we looked at a few. Some of them are not so good and some of them are good. We kind of want the wider boards. So that's what my husband's currently looking at right now. All right, so we changed our mind. We were thinking of doing the thicker ones, but there's just not enough of the thick ones. So we're gonna do it what they have here, and that's the thinner wood. So yeah, this is exciting. Save us some money. Save the money, girl. All right, I'm the one that's picking up the wood and bringing it to the car. So guys, let me show you guys the car. Because our car looks a hot mess. So my husband had a work van. His work van stopped working. So now he uses our family car for working. And look, but it's okay. It's all right. He's gonna give me another car, right, babe? Go ahead, baby. You can do it. Put your back into it. Okay, honey. He knows he's being recorded, so now he's being like Superman. Alright guys, look. We made a drop off already at the house, so we have some wood there and then we have this. I mean, it's not all that we need, but it's a lot. Babe, what do you think?
It's a good find.
Through the pallets, we left them pretty bare. We wish we could take the 2x4s and stuff, but we just can't right now, so just gonna take what we can. All right guys, we came back from getting the pallet wood, all this for free. We need a lot more, but so what? Right now we're borrowing my dad's planner.
Yeah, the Delta. We got the Delta in action here.
Hey! So there's some pieces that my husband already did right here on this side. Look at, and look at, he gets impatient. He likes to start staining. He's already trying.
You got a couple of samples here, but it's come out looking pretty good. Check out that smoothness right there. That's perfect for a stain. It's perfect. We're gonna put this on. Put it right on. I got 17,000 more to do.
You ready?
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
So first things first, I'm gonna take off these rusted nails, and these things are very hard to take off, but I'm gonna remove them, but the grinder is just a lot easier. Good
Oh,
job.
come on.
Good job, hon.
Ah, I didn't even know you were recording. Baby,
So she's behind the scenes.
behind the scenes is what happens. Sometimes.
Sometimes. So sometimes it doesn't work out that well.
No.
Every heart, every night with you. You and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime romos. We were in too deep in your worn-out sweaters. Thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback. And we were in too deep.
Guys, this looks beautiful. So my husband is already testing it and I love the way it's coming out. This one is aged bourbon by Czar Stains and this one is mocha by Czar. And yeah, there's a few pieces that he's already done. See, obviously he can never wait. He just wants to start ASAP, right, Des? Because Jose did the same thing? All right, guys, so this is where we're gonna leave off. It's taking much longer than expected because we have to grind every single nail off, and then from there we're putting it in the planner, and this is the pile we've made so far.
Listen, I think this is going to be well worth it. This is taking longer than expected, but stay tuned. We're looking forward to putting this up on the ceiling next week.
Bye, guys.
Yes.